welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to cook a very simple and easy recipe that is easily available on the streets of India, commonly known as noodles or chowmein. So let's get started.
Let's get started with the ingredients first. For 3 people you would need 2 cups of Dente cooked noodles. Please make sure not to make them mushy. In the vegetables you would need some French beans. Well, mine are a little frozen, but you can use fresh. Also, you would need some bell peppers. You can use of any color. I've used green. You would need some sliced onions. Please make sure that they are thinly sliced. You would also need some shredded cabbage. The quantity is mentioned in the description. You would also need some thinly sliced carrots. Next comes one of the most important ingredients of the chowmein, garlic. Now let's begin cooking. I've added 3 tablespoons of oil in a medium heated pan. Into it, add the chopped garlic. Saute for a while and add the thinly sliced onions into it and give it a good stir. Make sure not to caramelize the onions, they just need to be translucent. Now you need to add the rest of the vegetables. Make sure that you don't overcook the vegetables, they need to be crunchy. Make sure to cook all the vegetables in medium-high flame because in low flame they tend to get softer. Now add the salt according to your taste. Time to add some distilled white vinegar. This gives the perfect Indo-Chinese flavor to the chowmein. And not to forget soya sauce. Give it all a very good mix. Now add some ketchup into it. When the ketchup has well mixed with the vegetables, gradually add the cooked noodles into it. Give it all a thorough mix. Make sure not to break the noodles while doing this process. Now time for some spicy flavors. Add black pepper powder, some Schezwan sauce. Well, it is totally optional, but I wanted it to be a little spicy and hot, so I'm adding it at this moment. You can also add some green chilies. Well, many people do not consume mushrooms, but if you are, at this moment you can add the pan-fried mushrooms. Give this all a good mix. Once you see that the noodles and the vegetables are coated well with these spices, switch off the flame. If you want, you can sprinkle some spring onions on top. Well, I had some fresh ones, so I added it immediately. Enjoy this as it is or along with some Manchurian balls.
Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you'll soon try making this at home. Do let me know how did it turn out in the comment section below. I would love to read them all. And as I always say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I shall meet you next week. Until then, stay healthy and stay safe.